What's up, folks? Heinz Morning Updates, July 12th. Tight overnight range, 46 to 34, 12 points. 56 upside is kind of what I'm looking at. That's the first group of singles from yesterday's drop. Possibly 77. So we'll see. That 70 is probably going to be pretty important today, 70, 72. We get up above that, and that should be bullish. 84 would be my next resistance, and then if that, then probably up again. 27 here, we popped down to 30, so this 30 has been kind of a good base. Really need it below 27 to get down. Possibly these guys, I'm really looking at 5600, 5605. Below that is the 8890. And then I would look at the 63.60. So we'll see if we get down or if they bring this back up. PPI today, CPI yesterday came in a little bit below, and then I don't know if that was a reason to sell. I don't know if this was just the sell-off to leg it higher. A pullback, a flush, and then build base and then go up. Or if this is start of a correction, I have no idea. We'll have to see today after the PPI number in about 10 minutes. Pivot is 56, 59. That's okay. 88. I do like R1. 37 and 66. These are both good upside targets if we get above that yesterday's high, 57.07. 56.10, actually, that's decent because that was another level, 81. And then I like how S3 coincides with this volume node. So that would be an interesting, that 55, 33, 36 level was a monster. We spent a lot of time there, as you can tell, like all of that days in that area. So if we were to drop, that would be my bounce point back up if we were going to, this was just a continued flush down. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Here's the daily. So you had a pop up. Now, I don't know if that's aggressive enough as a blow off the top, but we will see. So that could mark the high. I'm not sure of anything right now. 38 is your POC for the month. We're right there. Here's your weekly. We're well above that 56.45 R2. 56.84 is your next, but again, we went right above 5700, so 57.07 was the high. Again, when it goes up, it's kind of a round number deal for the upside. So we'll see how this goes. Quick look at the craziness here in the Russell. Look at that. It was up 17, 18 points. It's already up. It's just nuts. So this is kind of interesting. So this is quite the rotation. And this is why AD was up yesterday, up at 2000, is because all the small cap stuff was rallying. And so that was bringing AD up. And that's why I just kind of referenced that. And I don't really, because this was not indicative of the down day we had. So it doesn't mark a rotation like this. This is crazy. And here's the daily where you opened up and then you went straight up. That's a crazy move for this contract. And then that open close held, and now we're up. So again, I don't know if they're going to reverse it down. There's a ton of singles to clean up. I don't typically trade this, but I do chart it. But that's a crazy rotation in there. SPX left a smidge of a cash gap, 57 to 72. The prior days was filled, and it bounced actually off of that. So we'll see. Again, I don't know if we continue down. Big cash gap at 54.02. I wouldn't worry about that unless, all hell breaks loose. Interesting on the euro here, and this looks kind of like an inverse head and shoulders. So my guess is if we break this 9-1 level, 1-1 would be the next. 110, maybe possibly 111. So we'll see if they hold this here after PPI or if this continues to go. But it's an interesting pattern. I could be wrong, but that's kind of what it looks like to me. As of now, ES down NASDAQ down 30, Dow up 35, and the Russell up 22 already. So again, another monster move. This is a crazy move for RTY, so I'd keep an eye on that. Other than that, I'll be in the room. Have a great day. Take it easy. Don't blow your week on Friday, and let it settle in and see where it's going to go.